Hi everybody, welcome back to Midvale Minis. I'm Kat. Today I have a really special unboxing for you. So yesterday I was in Walmart looking for something unrelated and I happened upon these. I've never purchased a Miniverse before, but I saw that they had Harry Potter ones. Harry Potter Miniverse. I had to have them. I'm a huge Potterphile and I've never bought these before, but I am hopeful. I am really looking for the cauldron. I think that would be really cool to have that. See, here's what they list on the side. I know Whitney Labrie does this all the time, but this is my very first time opening one of these, and I'm really hopeful to get the cauldron on this one. This one, I'm really hopeful to get the Quidditch box. I really hope to have all that. So, without further ado, let's open these. Don't tease me. Get this open. Okay. Okay. For starters, we got, oh, this is what you can get. Amortentia, which is the strongest love potion. Polyjuice potion, which turns you into somebody else. Wolfsbane, Skelegro, Felix Felicis, flesh-eating slug repellent. Oh, that's cool. Hellebore syrup, infusion of wormwood, dragon blood, armadillo bile, murtlap essence, and leech juice. Okay, so, oh, and these are the rare ones. So, okay, there's a cup, and there's something here, and then there's this. Okay. I got the cauldron. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I got the cauldron. Look how cool this is. Oh my goodness. I never thought I'd be this excited to open up a little package. Does this piece come off? It does. And what do we have in there? Why is that sealed? I'm not sure, but I'm not going to take that off because I don't know what's in it. But I did get the cauldron. I'm so super happy about that. All right, got the cauldron. Yay! Ooh. Okay, let's see. This is a funnel. It's way bigger than 1/12 scale. Oh, it's the stopper. Yeah, this is way bigger than 1/12 scale. The cauldron's just fine. This is definitely 1/12 scale. It's interesting they mix their scales like that. Okay, maybe that goes, nope. Let's see. Okay, so this, ooh, that's cool. That looks like a candle. Okay, so then we have, oh, we have candlesticks. Nice. And I'm guessing this is to dip things out. I don't know. Here's the other candle. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I like that. So this, I guess, goes with that. Does that seem reasonable? So I got the cauldron and a couple of candlesticks and a table. Guess that goes like that. Potions table. Okay, very cool. Oh wait, there's more to open. So we have some potions here. Cool. Skelegro! So exciting. It's way too big. Oh, dang it. It's more than 1/12 scale, but it is cool looking. Okay, so this one is like the scoop. That's 1/12 scale, so that's cool. That's number one. Let's see what's in number two. Now, I will tell you that I shook them when I was in the store, and they made a different sound. So I was hopeful that maybe there would be something different. Now I have two cauldrons, so that's cool. Oh wait, this cauldron's different. Huh. Well, that's interesting. They're different cauldrons. Maybe they're not exactly the same. Ooh, let's see what's in this. Okay, so this goes with this. This is another one of the stands. This is another table, but okay, so this is the same. Oh, it is different. This is amortentia. Ha ha. Sweet. It is really, really too big, but at least I got a different cauldron. Oh, and I got a couple of these. I like those. Okay, so I got these two, and I got this, and I got this. So those can all be put on a shelf somewhere behind. Okay, great. Oh, so this is what cracks me up. So the spoon is perfectly in keeping with 1/12 scale, but this is way too big. So interesting. I don't know. They just mixed their scales quite a bit, but that's okay. And we have another table. Okay, so that was exciting. So that was box number 2, and now we're moving on to Quidditch. They're not easy to open. Look at that. It's got the Hogwarts crest on it. Oh, that's cool. I like that. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, there we go. So here's another table. Oh, let's see what's in the pouch. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have one of the mandrakes. Okay, and this is like stuff to put them in, I guess. Oh, that's so fun. Look at these mandrakes. Oh, cute, 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 cute. Okay, this looks decidedly like feet to a table or something. Okay, here's another piece. What's this? This one is the planter set. Let's see what we got with that. Oh, it's a pot. Oh, couple pots. We got 2 pots for the mandrakes. Oh my goodness, these are cracking me up. Okay, and then we have herbology. And we're going to pop, oh, the earmuffs for auditory protection. Perfect. Longbottom's been neglecting his earmuffs. No, ma'am, he's just fainted. Potting mix. All right, so we got this, and wait, this was supposed to be Quidditch. All right, let's look at this paperwork here. This is so weird. Why did they put this in here? Baby mandrakes. Well, I'm happy about that, but this isn't what I asked for. I asked for Quidditch. Okay, I'm really confused. And I don't know what this piece is. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Maybe it works with this. Does this? Oh, maybe if I read the instructions, that might help. I'm definitely happy with those. I'm happy to have the mandrakes, which I think I can like doll up to make them look more realistic and less plasticky, but that's not what I bought. I'm very, very confused. Okay, the packaging is extremely misleading. So if you see this, it's all the Quidditch supplies and everything. But if you look at here, which of course I didn't until just now, it shows you this. Okay, very confused. I really wanted the Quidditch stuff. Okay, well, maybe I'll try again and see if I can pick one up that actually shows the Quidditch supplies here. This is my first time opening a Miniverse, so okay, I will pay more attention. I like what I have, so I'm going to put this with my Harry Potter stuff, and hopefully I can put it in one of my scenes. Okay, so that was my unboxing for that. I got some really cute and fun things, and now I want to show you something else I found that's not an unboxing, but I found it at a thrift store. So I saw on Facebook Marketplace that there was a thrift store that would be closing and that all the items would be free. So of course, I love thrifting anyway, and free. Who can be free? So I went down there. I picked up a couple of little things that they had. I picked up a basket and a few other things. And then as I was walking through the building, I looked across the way and I literally stopped in my tracks and went, and the woman says to me, okay, now I got to find out what stopped you in your tracks. And I said, this. Look at this clock. I have been looking for one of these for about 2 years. Look at all the details on this beautiful clock and the little wormholes and everything. It's an old vintage clock. It doesn't work. The woman told me it belonged to her grandmother and that they tried to get the clock fixed, but the guy could not fix it. So anyway, so look at this. She said it couldn't be fixed. But as she's telling me about the provenance of the clock, I'm of course reaching over and doing this. I'm looking inside at the space below the clock. And I'm thinking to myself, oh my gosh, this is so perfect. I absolutely love this. It is so gorgeous. Look at the details on this. So the woman said she thinks it's, the clock guy that was trying to repair it said it was from 1921. And I thought it was a little earlier. She thought it was a little earlier, but we're going to go with 1921. She said, well, you know, there are people, do you know what they use this for? I said, making miniature scenes, because that's what I'm going to do. And she's like, yes. So she was super excited that I wanted to put in a miniature scene here. And then I may pull this clock out and put another scene on the top. So I was trying to think about what I wanted to do, where I wanted to put this. It hangs on the wall. I had been looking for one that actually sits on the ground, but this one hangs on the wall. And I thought about putting it into a room where I have antique dolls. And I think what I'm going to do is this little scene area down here, I'm going to put in dollhouse sized dolls having tea, because the real dolls are sitting there having tea. So this is going to be a future project, not anything I'm doing soon, but I took the lady's information and she wants to see it when it's done. She's so excited, and so am I. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I cannot believe I got it for free. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I was giddy as a school child with my first Miniverse unboxing, and I'm slightly disappointed, but now I know what to expect. I love what I got, but it wasn't what I was looking for. So now I'm going to have to pay more attention to how these things go. But anyway, I got 2 cauldrons. I'm really happy about that. And so I should be able to use all of those things in my scenes. Some of the things that are a little too big, I'll find something else to do with them. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this new clock that I got, new antique clock that I got. I can't wait to use that in an upcoming project. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it when I do get to that project. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.